Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Let's work out core and lower back for today. Let's work. Nice weather, sunny, recording in the morning, so let's get started. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. One more. Then exhale. Okay, starting with something very simple, and then step by step we're moving forward. Then lie down on your back, keep your legs on the ground, elevate your upper back, straight arms. Inhale deeply first. Then we're gonna drive our body towards the left and right, touching our heels. 1, go ahead. 20, 2, 3, 4, breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, breathe. 2, nice. 3, awesome. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Really good. Inhale deeply first. Let's activate our lower body, hips, butt, bridge. Let's elevate our lower back. Push your butt up as high as possible. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you lower, flat back, legs 90 degrees. From here, once we're gonna lower our legs, bend it. Second, we're gonna drive them back. Open your knees towards the side. Drive your legs down and squeeze up. This will be 1 and back. Here we go. 1, 2, nice and smooth. 3, flat back. 4, we're gonna do 12. 5, 6, breathe. 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Okay, next one will be place your elbows on the ground. From here, as your heels are on the ground, you elevate your legs a little bit, and then from here we're gonna open your legs towards the side, touching with your heels. Close them. Open and close them. Here we go. 12. Keep your lower back flat. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. The next one will be gonna elevate. From here, we're gonna open your straight legs, forward and bend. Forward and bend. Here we go. 12. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Okay, the next one will be inhale. Exhale. From here, we will try to elevate our upper back, and then in the same time open our legs straight back, and then back. Elevate and down. Here we go. 12. Let's work. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. legs on the ground, inhale deeply. We're gonna do bridge, up, push your butt, hips, everything up, hold 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Okay, flat back. From here, elevate your legs. We're gonna lower them, band it one by one. Heel on the ground, don't switch, heel on the ground. Arms straight in front, here we go, 20, left, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 1, 2, nice, 3, go ahead, 4, 5, push, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Inhale deeply first, exhale, dry up, squeeze as hard as possible, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Again, we continue flat back, straight leg in front. We're gonna lower them one by one, totally 12. Inhale, let's work. Slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, breathe, 9, 10, 11, 12, and release. Awesome. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Elevate your upper back. The next one will be, we're gonna elevate your straight legs. From here, we're gonna bend them, drive them forward, elevate up. Bend them, drive them forward, elevate up. Here we go, 12. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last one. Release. Push up your butt. Compensation, push as hard as possible. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Awesome. Slowly up. We're gonna do plank position. Arms should be placed a little bit more forward. Legs square. We're gonna bend our legs. Knees touch the ground. Lock your core lower back. Let's bend our knees towards the ground. Here we go. 20. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, go ahead. 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Elbows on the ground. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Left leg straight. Elbows on the ground. Left leg straight backwards. Hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we open towards the side, close backward. Here we go. Inhale. Let's work. 10 and 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch. Right leg go back, flat back. Deep inhale, exhale, let's drive. And 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Inhale deeply. The last one, plank position. We're gonna touch with our elbow the right side. Touch and back. Touch and back. Here we go. When you can place your left arm more forward. When you try to touch, try to not bend too much your left arm. Here we go. And 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we switch. Left one. And 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And release. Okay, quick one. That's it. Let's inhale deeply first. Exhale, down dog. Breathe 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plank position forward. Chaturanga. Push down. Knees on the ground. Push up. And hold. 3, 2, 1. And draw it back. Nice one. That's it. Thank you, my friends. Wish you all the best. Stay strong. Don't forget, your body is your clock. Peace out.